We're here at Dixon Farms, Robbie Dixon. Going to be a partial load of steers. About 60 of these steers weighing 600 pounds. All these cattle were bought as 3 weights. Brought in, back grounded, been on grass. Just a little bit of silage and grain on top of the silage, along with the hay. Each calves will be about 80% ones, 20% 1 1/2s. All the calves are double vaccinated, 1 to 5 lives. Just a nice set of grazing steers. Again, this will be a partial load. It'll be about 60 head weighing 600 pounds, roughly 36,000 pounds. They're double vaccinated. They're brought in here weighing about 350 pounds. They'll be all black bodies. But very nice set of grazing steers, back grounded, double vaccinated. Coming from Dixon Farms, Mr. Robbie Dixon.